Hi friends, here is my 3D ocean floor or model of the ocean floor. Myself and my daughter actually had a lot of fun putting this together. I let her be creative as I was kind of guiding her and teaching her what parts that I had just learned. So here we have a box that we've kind of cut up to elevate the ocean floor a little bit so we can show the trenches and everything. We use construction paper and Play-Doh for some of the features that you can see here. I have numbered each of the features just so if I reference them, you can know exactly what I'm talking about. They just go from left to right in the picture, 1 through 9. There are three main regions of the ocean floor, and looking at this 3D model, you can see that the continental margins are on both the left-hand side of the picture as well as the right-hand side, where our continental shelves and our continental slopes are. The deep ocean basin is this flat surface over here, where you can see that the abyssal plain is, and then the mid-ocean ridge right here is our middle Play-Doh figurines that we kind of mixed some colors with to try to get more ocean watercolors involved. On the continental margins, there are passive and active margins, or passive and active continental margins. When we're looking at this picture here, the passive continental margin is going to be on the left-hand side of the picture. The active continental margin is going to be on the right-hand side of the picture. And how we know that is because the trench right here is only on the active side. Because that trench is made when the oceanic crust collides with the continental crust, and those tectonic plates diverge in order to get that trench. Here, our mid-ocean ridge is where the tectonic plates actually converge, so they are going up over one another, causing the ripples that we see, or the underwater mountains that our mid-ocean ridge is known as. Here we have number 2, we have a seamount. That seamount is under the water level. So imagine that the water level goes here. The continental shelf is like our shoreline over here on both sides. And then the volcanic island, of course, is above the actual sea level.